Let me show you how we can activate Gemini on the Motorola Edge 70. We have a couple of ways that allow you to just simply start using Gemini and activate it. For example, we can go to the Google folder in the app drawer, if you still have it, of course, if you still have the folder, and you should be able to find the Gemini app. It is pre-installed, but if for some reason you don't have this app, and then of course you can download it for free from the Play Store. And if you tap on this app, you can easily open the Gemini over here and you can, start using it as you wish. Over here at the bottom, we also have additional tools that can be quite useful. But besides that, what you can also do is you can use the power button. If you didn't make any changes to the power button on your Motorola Edge 70, then most likely you can just simply press and hold the power button in order to activate the Gemini, and you can talk to Gemini. You can ask Gemini anything that you want to know. And if you use gestures for navigation, then in this case you can open the settings, and we can proceed to gestures. Over here we have system navigation, and if we go to gesture settings, we have swipe for assistant. I don't remember exactly if it's enabled by default, but if it's not, then of course we can turn it on. So now we can swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner inwards, just like that, in order to also activate Gemini quite easily. So as you can see, we have a couple of different ways to activate Gemini on Motorola Edge 70. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and of course, by the way, we can also add some widgets as well from Gemini. So if we press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen and go to widgets, then over here you should also be able to find the Gemini app where we have a widget, which can be added easily into the home screen. So you can use these options, for example, if you want to quickly access Gemini as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.